I'm Joshua Robbins, founder of Beachwood. Back in the day, people went to conventions. They hunted down the best deals and they wanted to close them quickly, right there in the convention. They worked directly with the seller. That has happened less and less over time. What we've done is we've digitized that entire process and launched the Beachwood Cloud. The Beachwood Cloud is a platform where interested sellers meet interested buyers. Sellers sell without listing costs or paying commission when their deal closes. The Beachwood buyers that have access to the cloud pay to access that data.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ruben Perez, and I am a Beachwood advisor. And today I will show you, as a buyer, how to navigate the cloud. Looking at the top is where we can see the total deals that we have active on the cloud, as well as it breaks it down by their current status. The graphs right below, for example, if you can follow my mouse, the first one on the left is basically breaks down the deals by location, or in this case, the state. The graph in the middle breaks down the deals and groups them by the number of deals per expected ballpark dollar range. The graph on the right pretty much summarizes the numbers up top and kind of gives you just a graphical overview of the deal statuses for each item that we have listed. The table at the bottom is where we provide a basic summary of each individual deal that we have in the cloud. And as you can see, it provides, basically the deal number, the status, the location, as well as the ballpark estimated dollar range for that specific deal, and a short description or summary of that deal itself. Now, if a user gets in here and they want to, specifically look for different items, on the left-hand side here kind of gives that user different filters to choose from based on what they would like to look for, right? And all these graphs here on the site are fully interactive. For example, if you click on one, it will update all the other tables and graphs that we have on the site itself. So it kind of makes it a little bit more user-friendly and super interactive when you go to search for specific deals. And now also at the bottom of the filter list, we have a formation map where a user can take a look at any kind of formation plays in the lower 48. And this is just a public map. If you click on that, it'll take you to a website where it gives you the visual of the map of the shell plays in the lower 48. Now going back to the site itself on the cloud, if a buyer becomes interested in a specific deal and they choose to transact on it, what they can simply do is hit the blue button that's down on the lower left-hand side, which will trigger a form, and basically the buyer just gives us answers to 4 questions, and once they submit that, the system will automatically trigger and notify the Beachwood team of an interested buyer. And then we would move forward with the next step of facilitating the next action, which would essentially put the buyer in front of the seller.
And so on this chart, you'll see custom advisory. So we offer additional services for those particular deals. So if you need help with, this is more of a business development help, but if you need more of a engineering or geology or operations or land, those deals, there are specifics just based on size, $90 million, $100 million deals. You're going to need additional assistance, and we provide custom advisory on those for additional costs. So when you send your deal number to us, just understand that we will be contacting you about that deal and how to walk through it, how to strategically work to get that deal from an open deal to a closed deal for you. And that walks us through the Beachwood Cloud.